CSL Enterprises, established in the year 2006, is catering to banking, insurance, and real estate clients since inception. CSLE holds strong business associations with more than 100 banks and NBFCs, multiple insurance companies, and approximately 100 plus builders. Having served more than 10,000 clients on the respective fields, CSLE is coming up with a new business plan with latest upgradation to serve clients with rewards and cashback offers.
Private loan. Private loans are loans provided by individual money lenders who operate independently outside of the formal banking system. Unlike banks and NBFCs, private lenders do not follow strict rules and regulations, and they are not registered with any regulatory body. Instead, private lenders lend money to borrowers based on existing relationships or individual borrower assessments. In India, private loans are commonly provided by Sindhi, Marwadis, who have a long history of providing financial assistance to individuals and businesses. However, there are also other unorganized and unregistered private lenders who operate outside the legal framework and may charge exorbitant interest rates, which can put borrowers at risk. Private loans are typically based on collateral support, which means that borrowers must provide some form of security, such as property or assets, to obtain the loan. The amount of the loan is determined by the value of the collateral. Private loans can be useful for individuals or businesses who are unable to obtain financing through traditional banks or NBFCs, or who require quick access to cash. However, it is important to carefully consider the terms and conditions of the loan, including the interest rate and repayment schedule, before taking it on any debt. In India, there are various criteria to be met to be eligible to avail private loan. The borrower should be at least 21 years old and not more than 60 years old at the time of loan maturity. The borrower must be an Indian resident and have a stable residential address. The borrower should have a stable source of income and earn a minimum monthly salary as specified by the lender. The borrower should be either a salaried employee, self-employed professional, or a business owner. The borrower must have a good credit score, usually above 700 as per the CIBIL score. The borrower should not have any previous loan defaults or a history of bankruptcy. For a private loan, the eligibility criteria may vary from lender to lender, and the above mentioned are only general criteria. The borrower must check for specific requirements of the lender before applying for a private loan. In India, private loans can offer several benefits to borrowers. Private loan providers often offer quick disbursal of funds, which can be particularly useful in case of emergency or urgent financial needs. Compared to traditional loans, private loans often have more flexible eligibility criteria, making it easier for a larger section of the population to access them. Private loans often require minimal documentation, which makes the application process faster and less cumbersome. Private loan providers offer a range of repayment options that can be customized to suit the borrower's specific financial needs and circumstances. Private loans are typically offered at competitive interest rates. Compared to it is important for the borrowers to carefully evaluate the terms and conditions of private loans before deciding to take one. Overall, we can provide a valuable service by promoting effective communication, building trust, understanding, and facilitating mutually beneficial agreements between private individual money lenders and borrowers. You can contact us and we will assist you in availing this service and also reward you in return.